beautiful and lovely people. How are y'all doing today? Alright, guys, sorry, I'm acting a goober. We're going to be unboxing the one and only Ipsy. No, not the one and only, obviously. Everybody has. A lot of people have them. But my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is catered and designed for me. So, for those of you that don't know about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you do have to be a regular Ipsy holder, or subscriber, I mean. Then you can sign up for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get, it is a $25 a month subscription, and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. Not samples, not deluxe size samples. This is the full size, okay? Always when you open it, it's nicely packaged with what I call memory foam. It's not memory foam, but it's what it looks, egg crate. It's what it looks like to me. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Okay. I'm done being goofy. Let's get into this and review this box, shall we? Okay. Okay, we have a few things to go in here. Got 5 nice products in here, yeah. Okay, it says Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, find your light. Same as the Ipsy Glam Bag. I don't know what, 5 products. There's a price value in all of them. So we'll go through them together and figure out what's what and how much everything is. So let's get in here and look, shall we? Hold on, gotta do something right quick. Okay. The first thing I see is Murad's Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Environmental Shield. That's interesting. I have a lot of Murad products. This one retails for $72. It has vitamin C. Maybe it'll help my sunspots. I don't know. From my trip to Mexico, where I was on the beach and in the pool and getting drunk and drinking. Yeah, I kind of forgot what sunscreen was. Let me rephrase that. I didn't forget what sunscreen was. I just didn't put it on. Big difference. Or rather, I put it on. I just didn't reapply. So yeah, moving on. Okay. Oh, cool. This is like an oil. I like that. 2.0 hydroquinone skin lightener. 85% soft spots lighten in just a week. So I'm going to try that and see if it'll lighten up my sunspots. And I'll let y'all know. I'll do a review of it and we'll see how it works. I'd like to see how that works. Okay, moving on through the box. We got more to go. I see a Wonder Beauty, Wonder. Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. Okay, because I don't have enough of those. That's okay. This one retails for $21. I have a lot of brow pencils. As a matter of fact, if you watched my BoxyCharm video a little from earlier, you'll see that I got a eyebrow brush in that. An eyebrow pencil in that too. So yeah, I have a lot of them. I shouldn't bitch about it, but I am. Alright, let's see what this... Oh, this one's cool. It's really, really tiny. It's like a tiny little pencil. And I like Wonder Beauty's products, so I'll like it. Okay, this is much different from the other ones. Okay. This one is a very fine little pencil. Okay, it's not even showing up on my hand. This one will probably work better for me because it's more of a blonder shade. It's really, really light. And it's right there. Very light. But I like that. That might work to fill in like the little sparse light hairs. Like right here where I've got them really sparse. Only because when I waxed them last time, they got really sparse. Because I was falling asleep on the lady who was doing them. It was after work. I was so tired and I was sitting there letting her wax my eyebrows. And slowly I was nodding off. So eventually I was knocked out. So yeah. And you're probably thinking, my God, you had stuff ripped off, your hair ripped off your face and you were sleeping? Yes, I was sleeping. I was tired. Don't ask. I don't know. Okay, and I'm probably going to ruin this name, and I'm not trying to. I think it's Ilamasqua. It's a lipstick, from my guess. The color is supposed to be solar. And again, I probably just butchered that name, and if I did, I'm so sorry to whoever in the video watches this. I did not intentionally do that. I don't know what... Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. That's a beautiful pinkish color. Let's swatch it and see if I like it, though. I'm going to put it down here on my arm, because my hand is pretty well swatched from other videos. That's pretty. I guess I gotta bring it more over here so y'all can see it too. That's really pretty. I like that. I'm not big on pinks like this, like coral pinks. I was in high school, but let's face it, I've been out of high school for a long time. And I like that. That's really pretty. So I'm gonna add that to my lipstick collection down here. Get it. Sorry. Moving on. Next thing I see in here is, and this one looks like pretty big. Oh, that one retailed for, I'm sorry, $27 for the Ilamasqua. Ilamasqua. I don't know how to pronounce it. We'll just say lipstick. It's lipstick. I don't know what else to call it. Sept London's Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I can tell you that I like Sept London's powders. This one's really cool. I'm not going to open it, but because I've got one that's already open, but I like that. That's a really nice little packaging. And I'll show you. Like I said, we get the full size on these. Let me see if I can still find the other one I had. I had see, look at this. I got this one last year, I think. This was the sample size I got in Ipsy Glam bag. It was a little bitty one, but it worked so well that there's hardly anything left in it. And now I have, it's Mummy. Here's Mummy. Here's Baby. Big difference, isn't it? Yeah. But I'm glad to have it because I do like Sept London's translucent powders. I mean, they're really, really good. I don't even know if I'd be able to open this darn thing, to be honest with you. Trying though. So let's see here. There we go. I'm opening it because now I'm curious. Sorry, not even talking while I'm doing this. I'm just doing it. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so here I'll just put a little bit on my hand, which is not where you want it, but I just put it on my face there, and it's just completely translucent. But it's a nice setting powder. It really is. I like it. I use Cover Effects for setting powder, but I like this one. This is good. I like this one a lot. And this one retails for $22. And again, I do like Sept London. I like their products. I mean, I really do. I never knew Sept until I started getting Ipsy, but I do like them. They're a good product. Last but not least, guys, I'll quit rambling here. I sound like a damn motor mouth. Sorry. Over is Madison Miller MIDI Palette Miller Squad. Don't know what it is. There it is. It looks like it's probably blushes, maybe? Highlighter? I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. Ooh, but I like the packaging. Ophir always has very, very clean packaging. I say clean because it's very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. And I like that. Let's get in here and see what this is. Okay, it looks like a blush and possibly two highlighters. Two highlights. Sorry, there we go. Close that. There we go. Possibly, I don't know. Let me see. Multitaskers Rejoice. The three-piece palette collab from Ophir Cosmetics and Content Madison Miller is all about that to-go glow. So I was right. It's blush and highlighters. Let's swatch. Let's start with the blush. Ooh, that blush is pretty. It's very light. I like that. It's a really pretty blush. I don't know if y'all can see it right there or not. It's very light. Here's a highlighter. Oh, that highlighter is gorgeous. You could probably use that as an eyeshadow, to be honest. The next highlighter is this one. Looks like a champagne color. Again, you can use these. I bet you could get a little brush and wet it, and then put it on like eyeshadow. It would work either way. That's cool. I like that. So there's that one. And those are all the products I got in there. So let's see, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Let's go back here. This was $35. This alone was $35. The Murad Environmental Shield was retailed for $72. That's expensive. The Wonder Beauty Brow Pencil retailed for $21. The Sept London Extraordinary Translucent Powder retailed for $22. And last but not least was this fabulous little lipstick from Ilamasqua? I don't know. Whatever. This one retailed for $27. So all in all, that's a pretty good value for the box. I mean, the box is only $25. That lipstick alone paid for itself. I mean, the Murad for $72 retail, it pays for it. When the box is only $25 a month, I mean, you can't go wrong. So, okay, guys, that's the completion of my video. Again, if you didn't watch my previous videos, I'll announce it again. I am doing a giveaway at 750 subs. I don't know what the giveaway is going to be yet. I haven't quite decided, but it'll be something. And it'll be for female related. I'm not going to narrow it down to a guy. I mean, if you're a man and you win, there's got to be a female somewhere in your life. I don't know. Anyway, so I will be doing that giveaway. And of course, if I ever hit 800 subscribers, which I'm hoping will one day happen, yes, I do plan to give away the Anastasia Norvina palette. But by the time I hit 800 subscribers, it may be some God only knows what palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'll play it by here till then. Alright, guys. So without further ado, I'm going to let y'all go. I got to go finish dinner, okay? And y'all have a great day. Love y'all. Besos.